Welcome. And here with me, I have Chris, Dan, and Doug from Blue Cross Blue Shield of Minnesota. I'm thrilled to have you with me today. You are going to be speaking at Scrum Day Madison on October 16th, and the title of your speech is Deliver Value Sooner, which has to do with incremental delivery. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Yeah, absolutely, Mary. So we are one, very excited to speak at Scrum Day Madison, and two, for people looking for something a little bit more fun and entertaining, you would want to come to this. Actually, I'm going to try to convince you to come to it. And the things that you can expect out of this is that we're not going to talk at you. We do that. We tried that. We found out that's not very effective. So there is something around activities and finding experiential learnings that actually drive the most value. So instead of taking a concept and we tell you all the things that people do that essentially don't work, we're going to let you do a little bit of a test and fail and see how that kind of works out in that session. And so you have meaningful changes that you can apply when you go back to your own organizations or your personal life.
Yeah. I think it was Benjamin Franklin who said, "Tell me and I forget, teach me and I remember, involve me and I learn." And so our goal is to give you an immersive place to try some of these concepts out, build that confidence, fail a little bit and learn through that failure. And most importantly, to have fun. This is one of the reasons we get together as a community, is to build memories and bonds and enjoy some time with each other. And for us as facilitators, let's be honest, it makes it easier when you're discovering the learning for yourselves.
I love this concept of learning by doing and experiential learning. It's so much better than being talked at, and it is so much more fun. So, Chris, can you tell us a little bit about why does this matter to you?
Yeah, I think one of the things that I notice when we're doing the transformation work that we're undergoing at Blue Cross Blue Shield of Minnesota, as teams are introduced to agile concepts, they're a little worried about it. They're a little risk adverse. They're worried if I'm going to be responsible for delivering something every 2 weeks, there's risk associated with that in their mind. That's now 26 releases I'm doing every year, 26 times when my process is changing. And part of what we're trying to help educate on is that how might delivering more rapidly and in smaller bites actually be less risk? Instead of packaging all those changes into one big release every quarter or every year, instead of having all of those different changes interact with each other in unpredictable ways, by delivering in small bite-sized pieces, we can actually get all that risk out of the system right away. And if we do run into a problem, that blast radius of where that problem impacts is limited to just what we've done over the last couple of weeks. So as part of our ongoing transformation process, we're actually taking this to an extreme with the teams that we work with, where we're actually running 2 and 3 day sprints to teach them and help them learn about some of that de-risking at a very extreme level before they settle into maybe more than 1 week or 2 week sprint. So we can't quite do all of that in a 45 or 50-minute session here at a Scrum Day, but we're excited to try to mimic it with some of the activities we have planned.
Wow, that is so exciting and so creative. I cannot wait to hear about this. So I'm looking forward to seeing you all at Scrum Day. This is going to be fun. This is going to be exciting. This is going to be an experience that you don't want to miss. So get your tickets at www.scrumday.org. Thank you so much. I can't wait to see you there.
Thanks, Mary.